In this video, I'm going to show you how to partially close a trade on MT5 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom middle and you want to tap on where it says trade. And from here, you want to just select the position you actually want to partially close. So for me, I have this one, which as you can see, it's XAU USD, the bottom one, where I've bought 0.10. Okay, so 0.1, and I'm actually going to close partially half of that. So I'm going to just long press it. And when you long press it, you'll be able to see it says close position. Tap on that, and then on here you can see up top I have 0.1, so 0.10 lots. I could go and just basically tap on that and select it to be, for example, 0.05 or whatever I want to partially close, or I could just tap on minus, and then of course I could go and tap on that until I'm happy, and I could just go and tap at the bottom where it says close with either profit or loss. And when you do that, you can just tap on done, and as you can see, I only have 0.05 left, which is half of what it used to be. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.